I want you to imagine how challenging and difficult it is for me to give my speech after such presentation. So my mind is really in another place, different place, probably in the right place. So I probably will not follow the right script that I have in my computer, because in the place my mind is where we remember what is our social mission as researchers, innovators, and doctors. What is our responsibility? What is our social responsibility, which is towards our patients? And everything we can do to keep the patients alive and well and happy with a smile in their faces. So I think this is the real thing why we're here today. More about thinking in many other reasons we were going to gather about exchanging knowledge and technology and innovation. But our real social mission is our patients. So I want to thank all the organizers for this amazing event, and I wish everyone the best in this exchange in scientific knowledge and innovation in these 2 days. I think this event takes even more significance when we reflect on the fact that this year is a year of sustainability, with COP28 being held in Dubai. I believe sustainability is also a reason for us to have an open-minded, and with the examples we just had in this moment, how we can make a sustainable value, sustainable education for the future generation to foster sustainable innovation. The responsibility as a physicians and scientists is not only to bring and to find the latest molecule that can help to cure disease, but also to predict how this intervention will affect the marketplace and eventually our patients. How this intervention will interact with the other frameworks in which our healthcare sector interact. For example, insurance companies for accessibility, regulators for licensing, and so on and so forth. All these aspects has to be taken in consideration whenever we are in the bench of doing research and creating the most innovative solution, not only for precision medicine, but for any other kind of research. To achieve these kind of remarkable outcomes, we need to leverage on the power of data collection and analytic technologies. We know that we have a lot of information right now, so using artificial intelligence tool is relevant, is very important to bring sustainable solutions for our patients. The example of precision medicine goes to, for example, BRCA gene, HER2 mutation, BRAF mutation, and this highlight the importance and the potential of precision medicine in personalized care, but are also the example we just saw. I would like to acknowledge the UAE exemplary initiative in this field. The Emirati Genome Program is one of the most important ones. Cancer Genomic Program, Pharmacogenomic. We recently announced the implementation, the proof of concept of one pharmacogenomic tool that helps us to analyze the genomic information of the patient in conjunction with the electronic medical record to come in with a precise prescription based on genetic information from our patients. So in the case of Abu Dhabi Stem Cell Center, I think that soon we will have, we will forget the one size fits all in terms of prescription. So we're going to address 25 genes and 140 medications so far to provide personalized treatment to our patients. It's my pleasure to highlight the sectional achievement of Abu Dhabi Stem Cell Center. And one of our vision in terms of precision medicine is the implementation of advanced cellular therapy, for example, CAR T cells. As you know, is a very innovative kind of cell therapy. Also, tumor-infiltrated lymphocytes and TCR engineering for the treatment of cancers and other conditions, for example, autoimmune conditions. But these have challenges, and this is one of the things that we need to debate here in these 2 days, how we face these challenges and we solve them for the good of the UAE and our people. Furthermore, it's important to emphasize how we place our investment in terms of research and innovation, in terms of sustainability of healthcare and innovation in the future, and how we create an